Yeah, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, everyone. This is your boy, your big boy from the Forex Strategy Factory, aka you already knew, Forex Wizard 666, presenting here the USD CAD USD card. You know, I told you every time that this is a strategy that really germinates overnight. This strategy is like, you sow your seed, and you watch it after the next day or 2 days, and you see your seed has gone into the blue, man, into the blue. This is why I say every time that, my signal is not the signal that you're going to take and you're going to sit in front of your child or in front of your screen watching. No, 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 no. We don't need that. That is the old pattern of trading Forex, a mature pattern of trading Forex. You understand? This type of strategy is just what you take and walk away from your screen and go and sleep somewhere. Can go to the beach and sleep. You can go anywhere, go do whatever you like to do, man. This strategy works for you as long as this is the strategy you have taken. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something, that the only reason a forex trader do lose, and we always lose in blue account in this forex market, is when you have no ability to believe in what you do, that you just want to sit there and watch it and watch it. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. Sitting down there watching it even shows that you have no confidence in what you have planned. You know what I mean? Even if you have planned the best thing or you got the best signal, okay, sitting there now will begin to play with your emotion while you're going to be looking at those candlesticks and chasing them. You know what? Let me tell you another thing. Whatever is going to make a forex trader to lose and blow account is the inability to be able to accept loss. When you don't want to accept loss, when you are greedy, being greedy, when you don't want to give anything to the market. But the point is, you need to sow your seed for you to reap. You don't sow, you don't reap. When you sow, you give, right? So why will you give and you still sit down there looking at it? Look, when you give, take your eyes away from it, and the result will come overnight. You know what I mean? This relates to Forex. Whatever you do every day in your life relates to Forex. You understand what I mean? Your life is Forex, and Forex is your life. If you are the type of person who give and take your eyes away from it, when you bring that concept and put it in Forex, you will be successful, because that is you. But when you are the type who give and you put all your attention on what you have given, okay, thinking about what you have given, all your eyes, all your thinking is in what you have given. When is it going to generate that result? When is it going to bring that returns for me? My friend, you might be the one that will use your hand to throw the good things you have done away. Do you know what I mean? How does that relate to this, your Forex? When you trade in Forex, you just like a farmer who plants a seed on the soil. And when the farmer has done the necessary things, applying the best fertilizer and then putting his own seed under the ground, what do you think he's going to do? He's going to leave everything for the ground to take over. The only time that farmer has access to his seed is when the seed is still on his hand. And when the seed has gotten into the ground, he leave it alone and let the ground take over. The seed will go through process of germination. The seed will become rust. Okay. And the farmer will never be shouting and looking at the seed and saying, "Oh my God, look at my seed, it's rusting. Oh, no, no, no." And the farmer will never blame the ground and say, "Oh, you hell ground, why you rust my seed? The seed I bought with my money." No. The farmer understands the process that the seed need to go through rusted period before it grow into a beautiful plant. You know what I mean? Apply this to your Forex. Now you're going to sow your seed in this pair, the USD card. And you're going to leave it. You're going to walk away from it. And you're going to leave the Forex market price to take advantage and take chance and go and give you your own profit. Overnight profit, man. Overnight profit, man. Let the dough rain on you overnight. This is my strategy from the Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Oh, your mosquito boy with the eagle eye is talking right here. And this is the reason why we are here. Now, let's start. Looking at this USD card right now, what this is in front of me is this is going to be a buy because, man, this thing came from this floor. This is the floor. It came from this floor to get to the highest high. Pull back down here, right? And now, going on an up wave. This is up wave. It's going on an up wave right now. All right. So what are we going to do now? It has given us a buy level. Now, what we're going to do with this USD card, let me zoom it a little bit. Now, we're going to buy this USD card from here. Direct buy. USD card, direct buy. From now, 1.3720, we're going to buy. And this USD card, the good perfect stop loss we're going to have could be here, 1.3617, a good perfect stop loss. But I use this one, 1.3565. This is the stop loss I used. Yeah, I believe it's better to be safe than be like, something like maybe. I don't like maybe. Because I know this market is going up. I know what it's doing now here is that it's playing around. It's doing frog jump. Okay? It's doing frog jump right now. So while doing frog jump, I wouldn't want it to do frog jump and come and bounce on my stop loss right here. I wouldn't like that. So let it do its frog jump and do whatever it likes. But my stop loss, let it be here. After the frog jump is over, okay, I will take my stop loss and push it forward until I lock my break even. You understand? But I'm not chasing break even because I know this market will shoot up and it's going to 400 pips. So if we're going to take our profit at 400 pips from this point of 1.37, so definitely let us calculate 400 pips. 1.37, right? 1.38, 1.39, 1.40, 1.41. We're going to 1.4120. Yep, from here, 400 pips. 1.4120. Your take profit on the USD card is 1.4120. 1.4120. I'm going to repeat this. Take profit on the USD card going up 1.4120. That is your take profit. I hope I've analyzed this market very well. You know what I mean? I gave it a farmer analysis. Which is the best. You know, when you sow your seed right here on the Forex chart, you've sown your seed, and you've sown a seed that's going to multiply. Sow your seed and your seed will multiply. Okay. That is why we are Forex traders, man. That is why we are Forex traders, man. But you need to guard the eagle eye to be able to see something. To be able to see something that is going to go put you in profit. Something that is going to make the dough rain on you overnight. Man, let the dough rain on you overnight. You know, I call my own strategy overnight. Overnight because, man, whatever is going to happen with my own strategy happens overnight. But I told you, as you watch this video, you understand. Always understand that this is not the strategy you're going to take and you're going to sit down there watching, or you're going to sit down there praying, or you're going to sit down there thinking, oh, when is it going to go? No, leave that thing alone and let it go. Let it play, my friend. Let it play, my friend. Let it play, my friend, as long as the dough will rain on you. Let the dough rain on you, man. You understand? When you put this type of strategy, I gave you a signal. When you put it on your chart, oh, just go and begin to imagine when your moonla, when your dough will start raining in like raindrops. You know what I mean? You know, we see the future of the Forex market, my friend. The guy with the eagle eye behind the screen sees the future of the Forex market, my friend. All you need to do is just follow and do what I do, my friend. Do what I do. Let that dough rain on you overnight. Okay. So, you must say, hey, that stop loss is too big. Okay, boy. That is the reason why you are losing in the Forex market, because overnight the price will come and hunt your stop loss. And you will be hunted and knocked out of the market that will go in that direction. Why not use the stop loss and be safe? Instead of being knocked out, coming back in, you will still have the same mentality of a tight stop loss and you will still be knocked out. Instead of you take this trade, use the same stop loss, follow the same process. That is the process that leads to your success based on my signal. Thank you so much. Your boy is signing out for a strategy factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, the mosquito boy with the eagle eye. Under this video is going to be something, an ebook for Forex. Download it and read it, and you will understand something about Forex and why the market do what it does. So you will learn something about patience and the psychology of the Forex market. Once again, your boy, Forex Wizard 666. Omo, if I dey call my name, my head they swell up like gari with a soak for water. I tell you, my name give me that energy. Hey, your boy Forex Wizard 666 signing off. Bye-bye. And subscribe to this video, to this channel, and share this video, because next we're going to drop the next signal. So you will be notified. Bye-bye.